What's up, Nation? It is Monday, marvelous Monday. So today we have strength metcon strength today. It's going to be a 15-minute cap or 15-minute max. So you'll have strict press. It'll be a 4x5. It's going to be coming from the floor, so not from the rig, just from the floor, or obviously you're at home, so from the floor. And then from there, after each set, so once you complete 5 reps, you'll either choose one or the other. I'd say work on one that you're striving towards. So if you've been kind of working on like your handstand walks, get in like that 50 feet handstand walks, or if anything, you can go for that 20-second handstand hold onto the wall, or a 20-second wall climb up the wall for 20 seconds, climb back down, nice slow and control, and then after that, rest 1 minute. I go back at the top for my next set, go through that 5, stick to whatever one you decide to choose from, and then from there, 4 sets, just like that. Weight from there, I would say keep it across too, something where you'll be able to go for all 5 reps. So you want something medium to heavy, sort of say it's only 5 reps. Don't want to feel like you're just cranking out 5 super fast. Other than that, our metcon, it's going to be a 10-minute Amrap, so you have a 150-meter run, and then from there you go 10 strict press, 75, 55, or empty barbell, and then from there you'll have 25 sit-ups. This one, I would say don't underestimate it in a way of where strict presses, those will add up really quick and fast. But also too, want to attack it nice and fast. I would say, if anything, a goal to keep in mind, you want to shoot for at least 4 to 5 rounds within this Amrap. On the runs, run hard, pretty nice and aggressive, not a full-on sprint, but keep a nice, good aggressive pace for that run. Sit-ups, kind of use that more of like that active recovery, catch your breathing, everything from that. And then, yep, just keep going through that for that 10 minutes.